up guys? I hope you all are doing good. So I did ask you all on my Instagram stories which celebrity inspired look should I create, and so many of you all requested for Priyanka Chopra. I love a lot of her glamorous looks, but for today I picked up this really simple, glowy, fresh look of hers, which I think is perfect for everyday wear and work wear, and that's what I am doing today. I've kept everything very minimal for the look. I'm just wearing this beautiful Daniel Wellington watch and bracelet for this look, which totally complements it. If you don't know about Daniel Wellington, then they are known for making really minimalistic, classy, elegant, luxe looking watches. There's so many beautiful watches both for men and women, and they also make amazing accessories like this bracelet that I'm wearing, which you can wear along with your watch or just by itself. Let me give you a quick review of these products. So I'm wearing the Daniel Wellington Petite Melrose Rose Gold watch. This is the classic design. It looks beautiful and it has a black dial which is 36 mm, and it has a mesh rose gold strap which is interchangeable. The material used is double plated stainless steel and they are water resistant as well. I love the minimalistic design because it goes so beautifully for workwear or even for any function. I paired it with the Daniel Wellington classic bracelet. The color is desert sand. Isn't it so beautiful? It has the Daniel Wellington logo engraved all around the bracelet and it just looks so classy, you guys. So I'm wearing the size M and it is a unisex bracelet, so that's again a plus point. I also have a surprise for you guys at the end of the video, so make sure you watch it till the end. Now without wasting much time, let's get into the tutorial. So starting off with skin prep first, I'm using this Vilvah Pure Rose Water Facial Toner, followed by a lip balm because my lips are so dry right now. Then I'm using the Vilvah Day Cream. This also has an SPF of 20 and it's really nice for my combination skin. I loved it. Now moving on to correcting my under eye circles, I'm using the PAC Take Cover Concealer in Pumpkin. You can skip it if you don't have under eye circles like dark circles or dark spots. Then I'm using the Pond's BB Cream. I love this one, but I just wish they came out with shades for all skin tones, but this blends so beautifully even with fingers and it gives a nice glow. Now for concealer, I'm using the PAC Spotlight Concealer in the shade Beige. You can apply a little if you don't need much, but I do take quite a bit because I have my dark circles, and I also applied it on my pigmentation. So to set my face, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Loose Powder. This one, I tried it for the first time and I was so impressed with it. If you have dry skin, you can totally skip using loose powder so much, but I have combination skin, so I have to use it. Now Priyanka didn't have any strong contouring, so I'm using this beautiful bronzer from Makeup Revolution, and it adds such a nice glow and warmth to my face. I also used it on my eyes just to add some color, and I really love this palette. It's so affordable and it is so good. So Priyanka isn't wearing a lot of blush as well, so I'm going to use a very light hand and apply a little bit of blush on my cheeks using the same brush. Then I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I love this one so much. I'm using the Plum Brown Kajal just to tightline my eyes. So I'm applying it very close to my lashes and my waterline. Now for that beautiful subtle glow, I'm using this K-Beauty highlighter in the shade Sunlit Gold. I recently tried it and I fell in love with it. You just need a tiny bit and it gives the most beautiful glow. So next I'm lining my lips with this Nykaa lip liner, and I'm also going to fill in my lips with the same color. It's a beautiful pink kind of a nude, and I'm using their Molten Matte Lip Tint in the shade 5 and just dabbing a little bit of it on my lips for that natural pink lips. And that, you guys, completes the look. Guys, this is the final look. I absolutely love it. I could wear this every single day. Very simple, very minimal, and I love that these beautiful products from Daniel Wellington just complete the look totally for me. So I told you that I have a surprise for you guys. So you can avail a discount by using my coupon code, which is here on the screen, to avail a 15% off on the Daniel Wellington website, which I think is a great deal to get a great discount on these amazing products. So definitely check it out. The coupon code is mentioned in the description box. I also have the links of the products in the description box, so definitely check it out. I also have all the product details of the makeup look in the description box. So I hope you all really like this video. If you do recreate, please do tag me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications on, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.